right, I'm the flatratemaster, and today, well, we're talking German tool brand tier list. Now, first off, we're talking German hand tools, not getting into power tools, Metabo, Bosch, or anything like that. We're talking hand tools, specifically automotive hand tools. They're not flashy, they're not heavily chromed, but there's some really, really excellent tool brands from Germany. So let's talk about it. All right, so the brands we're going to talk about: Witte, Wera, Wiha, Stahlwille, Hazet, Gedore, and Knipex. Now, Knipex was in my original tier list of hand tools, and well, it had to continue on because it's a German brand. And so it's got to be here. And in that video, it was S tier. Nothing changed. Excellent, great tools, lifetime warranty. They stand behind their products, and they're just fantastic. Now, the next one I'm going to talk about is Witte. Now, Witte is a less well-known brand here in the United States. Matco's screwdrivers and pry bars for a long time were made by Witte. They are a very good company. I used those screwdrivers for a very long time. I don't believe they're still made by Witte, but don't quote me on that. I haven't looked into their screwdrivers in a long time, but excellent quality, primarily screwdrivers and stuff like that. They're definitely A tier. Wouldn't call them S tier. They're screwdrivers and pry bars and stuff like that. So their line of tools is not as substantial as other companies. Wera. Now, Wera is a cult brand, is the best way I can describe it. Electricians love them. A lot of people that try them love them. The quality is fantastic. They're a little funky, and the grips are really funky. They've got weird ratchets, weird wrenches, but they're definitely very, very high quality. And keep in mind, they don't have a lot of penetration in a lot of different lines that a lot of technicians would use, and they're kind of expensive. So we're going to go ahead and put Wera in B tier. Good quality, great quality, decent prices, but a little funky, and I don't know how acceptable it is, kind of what they do for the American market. Now let's talk Hazet. Hazet does a very thorough line of tools. They've got lots of sockets, lots of extensions, lots of specialty automotive tools, and they're really good quality. And because of their very deep line, I'm going to go ahead and put them in S tier. Prices can be a little higher than some brands, but not outrageous. As long as you buy them through a decent distributor, not, buying them off the tool truck or something like that. So I put them in S tier. Wiha is excellent for hex, Torx. Machine shops love their tools, but their line isn't great as far as the automotive end of it. Hex, they're really good. So I'm going to put those in B tier just because their line isn't as extensive as some of the other companies. Stahlwille, however you pronounce it. I'm half German and by descent, but I still don't speak German. Stahlwille is an excellent product. Now, Stahlwille produces excellent products at a really good price. Their wrenches are fantastically priced for really high quality. They're not chromed, but they're really excellent quality. Just like anything else, a wrench especially is very personal in how they feel, but they're really high quality, reasonably priced tools. Now, the last one is the one I actually have the most experience with. I use Gedore wrenches every day I'm at work. Literally, I have a set in my roll cart. I love that set of wrenches. They are used so often. Every time I do a rear brake job, I don't have to go get my ultra skinny Vim wrenches. I use my Gedore set because they're thin enough, because they fit rear brake calipers. They just work. They're excellent. They just are awesome wrenches. I'd like to put them in S tier. They're really good value. They're really good tools. I don't. You know what? We're going to go ahead and put them and Stahlwille in S tier. I think they both deserve it. Honestly, I think Knipex, Hazet, Stahlwille, and Gedore, you just cannot go wrong with those tools. So I'm reconsidering. I'm putting them in S tier. Hope you enjoyed my tier list of German tools. I know there'll be people in the comments that have already posted ugly things because I didn't put their favorite tool where they expected it to be, but it's all opinion. So let me know what you think in the comments. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.